Guys, we're going to do a quick walk around here on this 66 Corvette. Just kind of showcasing the paint quality, going over the wheels. Paint is in excellent condition. All the chrome is also in really good condition. No deep scratches or anything. Rear glass. It was a really nice 66. Let's take a look on the inside, on the passenger side here. The headliner's in good shape too. Super clean. Windows operate with no problem. Super smooth, even these side windows. Take a look under the hood. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. If you need a shipping quote, you can also use the contact seller button. We'd be happy to assist. Good luck with the rest of the auction.